Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, which from this day onwards will be called Dennis Lioka, like my name, and no longer UX Native like my agency. Today I want to talk about why I did this, because I think it might help other people in making their decisions as well. But first I want to say thank you to my 100+ subscribers for your support and continuing to following me on my journey here on YouTube. It took me close to 2 months to get here, and I hope it will get better and better. So I've been working on my website and my personal brand for the past few weeks. The website is called, obviously, DennisLioka.com, just like this channel, and you can also find it in the description below if you're interested in it. The reason I created this and also changed the name of this channel and I separated my social media accounts is because I have loads of projects in mind, especially with the agency, and I want to keep them separate and also organized. Another reason is because I want to be more approachable. I also want to film things about design and business and just show you guys tips and tricks about it. So I think it's the best that people see me as a person rather than as a business. And also, I would rather do this now at the beginning, when there is less content to modify, for example like social media, than later on. So just to recap a bit what I've done, and hopefully this will also help you if you're indecisive about whether or not you want to put yourself or your business, or even both, out there. So stay tuned because it's gonna get crazy. Firstly, I've done the website, which will merely represent my personal brand identity, where I am showcasing my YouTube videos and my other businesses as well. The website is linked, like I've mentioned, to my YouTube, but also to my Insta and Twitter. I'm keeping a personal Facebook just private. Even though I wanted to delete it, I think it's nice to have the possibility to join like different design communities and discuss with people, you know? I also have a TikTok where I'm gonna try to post more often, and hopefully I will succeed there as well. Now for UX Native, I always had the agency's website, which I actually revamped last year in August in 2020. It has a fresh look, it has an Insta, a Twitter, and it will showcase my projects with my clients. Here, if you need a website, app, or any digital kind of product, you can book a free consultation via the website on uxnative.com, and we can go from there. So that is how I've separated the main business from my other projects and myself. This channel will continue to bring quality design and business knowledge, but also a glimpse into my daily life and my other projects. So stay tuned. Thank you again for watching, and as always, hit that like button if you like this video, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.